Join me as I dive into the craziest earwax buildup I've ever seen and try to clean it all out. Earwax buildup is one of those topics that many people experience, but few talk about. It's something that can be embarrassing, uncomfortable, and even painful. But despite its prevalence, we often shy away from discussing it openly. Today, we're going to change that. One of the biggest misconceptions about earwax is that it's just a natural part of our body's functioning, and that we don't need to worry about it. But the truth is, excessive earwax buildup can cause a range of problems, from mild discomfort to serious health issues. For example, it can lead to hearing loss, ear infections, and even affect our balance and equilibrium. In extreme cases, it can even cause tinnitus, which is a constant ringing in the ears. Another common myth is that earwax is just a sign of poor hygiene. But the reality is that earwax buildup can affect anyone, regardless of how clean they are. It's not just about personal hygiene, but also about the way our bodies produce earwax. Some people naturally produce more earwax than others, and this can lead to buildup. In fact, did you know that earwax is produced by glands in the ear canal, and its purpose is to protect our ears from dirt, dust, and other foreign particles? It's a natural defense mechanism, but when it builds up excessively, it can become a problem. This is why it's so important to understand the reasons behind earwax buildup, and to take steps to prevent it. One of the main reasons for earwax buildup is lifestyle factors. For example, if you work or live in a dusty environment, you're more likely to produce excess earwax. Similarly, if you use earbuds or headphones regularly, you may be pushing earwax deeper into your ear canal, causing buildup. Our day-to-day habits, such as using Q-tips to clean our ears, can also contribute to the problem. According to the American Academy of Otolaryngology, over 12% of children and 5% of adults have excessive earwax buildup. That's a significant number of people who may be experiencing discomfort, pain, or even serious health issues due to earwax. But it's not just about the statistics, it's about understanding the impact that earwax buildup can have on our daily lives. I want to show you a particularly shocking case of earwax buildup that will illustrate just how serious this issue can be. This is a real-life example of someone who suffered from extreme earwax buildup and the impact it had on their daily life. As you'll see, the buildup was so severe that it was causing them significant discomfort and affecting their ability to hear. The visuals are quite graphic, so viewer discretion is advised. But I want to show you just how much earwax can build up in the ear canal, and the potential consequences of neglecting ear care. As you can see, the earwax buildup is significant, and it's clear that this person was in a lot of discomfort. This is just one example of the many cases of earwax buildup that I've seen. But it's a powerful reminder of why we need to take ear care seriously, and why we need to address the misconceptions and myths surrounding earwax. In summary, earwax buildup is a common issue that affects many people, but it's often neglected or misunderstood. We need to recognize the potential problems that excessive earwax can cause, and take steps to prevent it. By understanding the reasons behind earwax buildup, and by adopting good ear care habits, we can reduce the risk of discomfort, pain, and serious health issues. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your own experiences with earwax buildup in the comments below. Have you ever had to deal with excessive earwax, or do you have any tips for preventing buildup? Let me know, and don't forget to check out my other videos on ear health and hygiene.